Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you this gadget here. This is LG Soundbar SQC2 Soundbar. This is 2.1 channel immersive soundbar on a budget. Good for money. This soundbar is 300 watts audio power output. Soundbar itself is 100 watts. The subwoofer is 200 watts. This soundbar, you can hook it up to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and USB. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. I hope this will help you to make informed choice. This is 2.1 channel Bluetooth soundbar, immersive sound, adaptive control audio. So now let's check this out. This is from LG. So this is the power cable, 3-pin power cable. The battery is in here with information pack, remote control, the small one, the subwoofer. Nice. This is the soundbar here. It's a bit heavy. This is the subwoofer. Nice. It's not heavy, just decent size. Okay. Looks like the power cable is attached with this. Yes, the power cable is attached to it. So the other power cable is for the subwoofer. Nice. Look at that. You can see what it looks like. Got speaker here, tray this end, and another tray this end. You switch this on and off here. This is function. This is minus and plus. Plus is for you to increase the volume. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. You press for F for the function. It's pretty much F and input is the same. So you select input to select Bluetooth optical, and it will also show you that front here is wood, at the back is plastic. So you can see the ports, optical, port in optical, and USB. and the power cable is attached to it. See what it looks like. Nice. It's quite heavy, but not that heavy. You can still carry it anywhere, but some people might find it very heavy. This is from LG. This is a decent soundbar and value for money on the budget. So this what we have here. This is the subwoofer. And the soundbar, you can see the speaker here, and also you got 3 speakers on this end. Optical, USB and Bluetooth, LG TV. So no HDMI. And this is the information pack with the battery. This is the power cable for the subwoofer and the remote control. So these are the stuff included. Optical cable not included in the packaging, so you need to buy the optical cable if you want to connect this soundbar to TV using optical cable. But straight away you can connect it using via Bluetooth. I'm just gonna measure this. Just gonna measure the subwoofer from this end to this end is 17.5 centimeter. From the front to the back is 25 centimeter. And this is 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter. The soundbar from this end to here is 95 centimeter. 95 length. The weight is 7.5 centimeter. 7.5. And this angle is 4 centimeter. Now to set this soundbar up, just need to plug it to the power. Now take this cable, plug it in, push it in at the back, connect it to the back. This subwoofer, you can also switch it on and off from here to reset it. So plug it onto the power. Now take the remote control. You have the battery here. So open up the remote. Now the negative goes to the button and the positive, depending on how you are holding the remote. So negative goes to the button on the right and the positive goes to the top. Then on the left side, the positive goes to the button, the negative goes to the top. Then put this back and this is in. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to TV via Bluetooth. If you check my video, we connected this soundbar to TV using optical cable. Optical cable is not included in the packaging, so I used my own optical cable. So if you want to connect this hardwired, you need to buy the optical cable. Okay. So this is the optical cable. Now to connect the soundbar to TV, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to switch the soundbar on, and when you switch the soundbar on, you need to use F button. You can also control this from the top here. You need to use F to select Bluetooth, and you keep an eye on the screen here, a white light that is showing here. So select F to go to Bluetooth, and it's now in Bluetooth mode. Now what we need to do, and you can see when it's in Bluetooth, it's highlighting. If it's connected, it will be a steady white light. Switch the TV on. So go to your TV settings. scroll down to the sound, and you can see the sound is showing us optical out device. You need to select on it. Now scroll to the side and go to where it is written Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth devices and select Bluetooth, and scroll down to device list and select enter, and it will start to look available Bluetooth device. Here we go. LG SQC2 is available. Scroll up and select on it, and it's connected. It's connected. So if you go to your settings, you need to scroll down to the sound, and you can see it's showing us now Bluetooth device. This is how to connect this to Bluetooth. Thank you very much indeed.
Go to bbc.co.uk/make-a-difference.
And stay blessed. Thank you.